everyone, what's up and thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will be talking about how to create a subdomain in Hostinger and how to install WordPress on that subdomain. So if you have a Hostinger account and if you want to create multiple subdomains which are absolutely free, there is no extra charge. So you can create extra subdomains for your additional purposes and you can install WordPress on that free of cost. And how to do that, that is the agenda for this video. So stay tuned, watch till the end, follow all the steps as it is, and you will be able to do it with simple steps. And guys, I have also a surprise for you in the middle of the video, so stay tuned, don't skip any part so that you will not miss that surprise as well. So now for the first step comes here in the picture is log into your Hostinger account. So you just need to search on Hostinger on Google and click on the first link, that is hostinger.in or hostinger.com. Any link you can click on. So just click on the Hostinger website and on the right hand side login button is there. Just click on login and you need to enter your credentials to log in into your Hostinger account. Let me quickly log in. So I have successfully logged in into my Hostinger account and here you can see that I have a web hosting and a domain. So you need two things. First is your hosting plan and second is your main domain, because subdomain cannot be formed without a main domain. So my objective is clear that I need to first create a subdomain. So for that I will click on this manage button here on the hosting. So I will click on manage. And guys, this is the latest interface of Hostinger. So whatever steps I am telling you, you will get exact same layout. Now here from the left hand side, you can see there are multiple options. There is a one option called domain. And if you click on this button, you will see another option as subdomain. So just click on this subdomain. In order to create a subdomain, you need to define what subdomain will be called. So in my case, I will call it as learn. And now my domain will be learn.learnwp.co.in. And I just need to click on create button. Guys, please remember, in order to create subdomains, you must have a main domain active or in your Hostinger account. Here you can see subdomain successfully created. And where is the subdomain? I have multiple other subdomains as well. So here is the subdomain that I just created, that is learn.learnwp.co.in. Here is the subdomain, and as you can see, learn.learnwp.co.in. It means the subdomain is installed. And guys, one more thing, since you are on Hostinger, so for every subdomain you get by default SSL free of cost. So you are not supposed to pay anything extra for the SSL for your subdomain. As soon as you create subdomain and install WordPress, it will automatically be applied to your subdomain in a couple of minutes. Now the first step was to create a subdomain. Now let's move to the second step, that is to install a WordPress application on this subdomain. So for that, we will come back to the top and from here we will click on WordPress. And here we will click on overview. So once you clicked on overview, here you will see the domain name. So currently my main domain name is there, but if it is a drop down, so if you click on this drop down, you will see all the subdomains that you have created. We need to select the subdomain that we created just now. So that is learnwp.co.in. So you can say learn.learnwp.co.in. That is my subdomain. And since we just created it, it means there was no application, there was nothing. Even to verify this, let's visit the subdomain learn.learnwp.co.in. So if we try to access that, you can say it is showing a Hostinger page because we haven't set it anything up. Now here it says detect WordPress or WordPress installation. In Hostinger, WordPress installation is just one click away, nothing manual to be done. So you just need to click on the install button, because we know that there is no WordPress, so no need to detect WordPress. Directly go to install WordPress and click on this install button. As soon as you click on install button, it will ask you for the basic information, that is website title. So let's say I want to give learn WP as the website title. Don't worry, you can change it later on as well, not a problem. Administration email, it means what is the email ID that you will use in case you forgot the password or any other use. By default, your Hostinger email ID will be taken here, but if you want to change it, you can do that. So let's say I change it to demo.gmail.com or anything, just for the demonstration purpose right now. Administration username, you can change the username here. So I will say learn WP is the username, and password, I need to just create a password by following all these criteria which are mentioned here. Once this is done, you can go ahead and click on this next button. and by default you can leave as it is, no problem, and click on install button. It will install the latest version of WordPress, so don't worry about that. And now it is processing. We will wait and we will see that how much time it will take, and once it is done we will move to the next step. So as you can see, within less than 30 seconds it is done. And if I now click on the same URL, that is learn.learnwp.co.in, if I refresh, now you can see the WordPress is installed successfully. So within 30 seconds the WordPress was installed automatically. I did not perform any manual task, and the creation of subdomain was also very easy. So here you can see that WordPress is detected, and if you once refresh it, it will also give you an option to log into your log into your WordPress dashboard. So if you scroll down, you can see here the other details, maintenance, force HTTPS. As I said that HTTPS SSL will be instantly applied. So you can see here the HTTPS is there. It means SSL is also applied. And now from here you can go to admin panel, or otherwise you can also go to learnwp.co.in/wp admin. That's how you can also log into your WordPress dashboard using your account, using your credentials. So guys, that's it for this video. But wait, I know I was talking about a surprise. So the surprise is that if you want to buy Hostinger and a domain or a hosting from Hostinger, then you can buy from my affiliate link, which is given in the description. And for exclusive discount for my viewers, you can use coupon code RahulSingle, which is displayed on your screen, for additional 10% off. So if you will go and check it out, the Hostinger plans using my affiliate link, you will get the best deals, and on top of that 10% additional discount only for my viewers specifically. What are you waiting for, guys? Just go click on the link in the description box and use my coupon code RahulSingle to avail 10% additional discount and enjoy the Hostinger. For more such useful videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down if you have any query regarding this video or regarding the WordPress series. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.